Hello everyone, welcome you all on my YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss the PYQ of LLM first semester paper, and the subject is the law of social transformation and judicial process in India. And unit 1 is about the discuss of modern trends of constitutional utilitarianism in India. Question number second is write a critical essay on the principles of civil code. Unit second is define money bill, differentiate between money bill and ordinary bill. What is the procedure of passing the money bill in the Indian Constitution? And question number four is define delegated legislation, why there is use of delegated legislation, how control is exercised over delegated legislation. And unit third is about law is an instrument of social change in India. Comment and explain by citing examples. Critically evaluate the contribution of laws in improving the status of women in India in modern times. And what do you mean by judicial legislation? Examine critically the role of judicial legislation as an important of social ordering. Refer to important cases. And next question is what is the concept of justice? Discuss the relationship between law and justice. So these are the important topics from the paper of 2021. Now I am going to discuss the paper of 2022, and there are the questions. Unit 1 having two questions. First is discuss in detail the principle of utility. Second is write a critical essay on the principle of penal code. Unit second is about write a critical note on civil disobedience of law. Is it permissible within the theory of law? And four is about what do you mean by delegated legislation? Examine the control mechanism of administrative rule making in India. And unit third is about the law is a product of tradition and culture. Comment. And next is elaborate upon modernization trends in the area of family law. Unit 4 is about what do you mean by judicial review? Can the pardoning power of the president be subject to judicial review? Explain by citing decided cases. And next is about what do you understand by judicial activism? How has it helped in protecting the right to life and personal liberty enshrined in Article 21 of the Indian Constitution? Explained with leading cases. So these are the important topics from the paper of 2022. Now I'm going to discuss the paper of 2023. So there are the questions. Unit 1 having two questions. Define utilitarianism, distinguish between the two. And second is discuss the Bantam principle of penal law. What is the applicability of these principles in modern era? Unit second is about what do we mean by civil disobedience of law? What are the consequences of failure of executive to enforce the law? And next question is discuss the legislative procedure of ordinary and money bills. Unit third is what steps have been taken by the government of India to modernizing the local self-government. And next is changes in the social order in modern India, particularly with respect to women, are far more complex than nationalist historians suggested. And unit 4 is judicial legislation as an instrument of social ordering. And next is explain the concept of justice. What is the relation between law and justice? Now I'm going to discuss the paper of 2024, and there are the questions. First question is assess the relevancy and significance for promoting of social, economic, and political justice in India. What are the basic principles to legislation to framing civil code and penal code? And unit second having two questions. In India, to some extent, the power of making law has been delegated. Is there any control mechanism of these administrative rule discussed? And four is about write a short note on any two of the following. First is ordinary and money bill, and second is civil disobedience of law. Third is committees of the house. Unit third is about law is not static, it has to change with changing circumstances, needs of the society. discuss it with the help of legislative development of the regard. And there are certain modifications and amendments made in the civil and criminal law court process that are helpful for the smooth functioning of criminal justice described. And Unit 4 is about Indian judiciary has played a remarkable role as an instrument of social ordering, discuss the related case laws, critically examine the theory of adjudication propounded by Dawkins. How do you compare it with Indian approach in theory and practice? So these are the important questions from the PYQs. These are the PYQs of the paper Law of Social Transformation and Judicial Process in India. Hope you like this video, and if you like my video, please kindly share my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Stay connected.